This is not just an electric dirt bike. This is Segway Ninebot proving that electric can be wild, powerful, and built for real riders. The 2026 Xaber 300 is quiet, fast, brutal, and ready to dominate dirt trails without fuel noise or limits. Design and build. The 2026 Segway Ninebot Xaber 300 looks sharp, modern, and aggressive. The frame is lightweight but strong, built for hard riding and rough terrain. High ground clearance, wide handlebars, and slim body make it perfect for trail control. LED lighting and digital display give it a premium, futuristic feel. Motor and performance. The electric motor delivers instant torque the moment you twist the throttle. Acceleration is quick, smooth, and addictive, especially on dirt and gravel. No clutch, no gears, just pure power on demand. Perfect for beginners and experienced riders who want precision and fun. Battery and range. The Xaber 300 comes with a high-capacity removable battery. You can ride longer on trails without worrying about fuel. Fast charging support means less waiting and more riding. Ideal for daily fun, weekend adventures, and practice sessions. Suspension and handling. Long travel suspension absorbs bumps, rocks, and jumps with ease. Front and rear suspension are tuned for off-road riding. Excellent balance and low center of gravity improve confidence. Handles tight corners, loose dirt, and uneven trails smoothly. Braking and safety. Strong disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Regenerative braking helps improve efficiency. Traction control and ride modes make it safer for different skill levels. Tech and features. Digital dashboard shows speed, battery level, and ride mode. Multiple riding modes for eco-trail and sport. Quiet operation allows riding in noise-sensitive areas. Low maintenance compared to gas dirt bikes. Who is this bike for? Riders who want an electric dirt bike with real performance. Off-road lovers looking for quiet, powerful riding. Beginners who want easy control. Experienced riders who want instant torque and modern tech. Final thoughts. The 2026 Segway Ninebot Xaber 300 proves electric. Dirt bikes are the future. Powerful, silent, clean, and fun. This bike is not about replacing gas bikes. It is about unlocking a new way to ride.